Are you a mum who's juggling so many balls that you can't catch your breath? Are you physically exhausted and mentally drained and have resigned yourself to this just being the way it is? Do you wake up with your to-do list spinning round in your head? And as a result of all this overwhelm and exhaustion, do you find yourself getting frustrated, impatient and angry with your children, only to feel guilty about it afterwards? Do you know something needs to change but just don't know where to start? Good, because no matter where you're starting from, and no matter how little time you've got, and no matter how many things you've tried in the past to help your life flow better, if you're ready to get your sanity back, I'm here to show you how you can make really big changes by taking tiny little actions. My name is Tamara Don, and I've been helping mums through all stages of life regain their calm, enjoy their kids more and get more done. And after working with hundreds of mums and witnessing literally incredible transformations, I am now committed to sharing my work with as many mums as possible. But even though this challenge is free, I want to make sure that you are ready to commit to a few minutes a day to make these small changes in order to lay the foundations for the life that you really want. Einstein said that the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. If you are ready for life to be easier, more productive, and more joyful for you and your family, it's time to take action now. And I promise it won't be as hard as you think. Simply enter your details on this page, hit the I'm ready to change button and come on in, and I'll send you everything you need.